The only reason I'm making this video, girls, because I look cute. And someone needs to see this. Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl. It's a girl. Ginger, of course. Welcome back. Let us talk. Let's chill. I know I said that I was gonna do couch conversations live, but here we are. We're doing it, and it's not live. How are you? Oh, I feel like I've been working, and I finally get to sit down. This doesn't even feel like work. It just feels like I'm finally catching up with a friend. So sis, let me know how you doing. How is life? FYI, if you don't know, another black man was killed. Rest in peace to Dante Wright. Haitian politicians are still acting up. Let us pray for Haiti. And a volcano erupted in St. Vincent. Yes, all of that is going on while we are still in this pen pizza. So yes, how are you doing mentally? How's life? For me, I'm okay. I feel like I've realized that I am gonna go through this roller coaster, and that is okay. You know, before I used to get really hard on myself and think that, why am I down? I should be grateful for what I have. Why am I in a funk? And you know what? C'est la vie, okay? Right now, it's fine. It's okay. I go through these highs. I go through these lows. I give myself grace when I am in the low. And then we keep it moving. We keep it pushing. It's never going to be perfect. So, you know what? If you're going through something right now, sis, deep breath, okay? The world is on fire. That's okay. So we are in a full lockdown situation here in Ontario, Canada. If you don't know, yes, I am in Canada. By the way, we have some apple juice because it's Thursday and I need it. I don't know when this video is gonna go up, but we'll see. Yeah, we are still in a lockdown situation. The world is on fire. Things are crazy. And at this point, I don't even feel like I want to go out anymore. Go out and do what? I don't even remember the things I used to do when I used to be outside. So what? Anyway, it's gonna be okay. I don't want to complain. Let's talk about the usual things that we talk about in couch conversations. We talk about mental health. We talk about leveling up. We talk about YouTube, Instagram, brand deals. And I think that's about it, right? So, but yeah, I am happy to be making this video. So let's start with, I guess we kind of quickly talked about mental health, but let me know how you're doing mentally. Leave a comment below. You know, let's have a nice little conversation. We talk about hair all the time, and I think it's important to have a whole conversation around mental health. That's where I am, especially in this space of my life. I think, honestly, everyone should be seeing somebody, therapist, counselor, what have you not. When you think about it, we go see a doctor yearly. We have a yearly physical, so we make sure that everything's going well with the physical body. But what about the mental? What about up there? Do we see someone at least once a year? I don't think so. So yeah, I've actually booked a therapy session next week. I'm so excited. It's been a while since I saw a therapist, maybe like almost 2 years now. So I am seeing a brand new person. I'm very excited. She is black. It's the first time I've had a black therapist. So I just kind of like, I don't know, I'm really excited about it. We haven't had a session yet. We've only had a 15-minute consultation. So, you know, I kind of vibe with her. So I'm excited. And I'm also happy to see a stranger. It sounds so weird because I feel like that's one of the things that people struggle with when it comes to seeing a therapist. They don't want to open up. They don't want to talk to a stranger. That was me the first, I don't know, like 2-3 therapists I struggle with opening up to them. Like, you don't really know me. It's hard opening up to someone you don't know. But right now I'm in a whole different aspect or space in my life where I want to talk to a stranger. I don't want to open all of my dirty laundry to somebody that I know. I don't want to do that. I want to talk to someone that doesn't know me. So when we start unraveling this childhood trauma, you can't even judge me. I'm excited to see her next week. And you know what? I'll keep checking in with you guys, let you know how it's going. I'm more excited to do that. Maybe share a few words of wisdom if I can help somebody. So yeah, YouTube is going well. YouTube is a lot of work, but I feel like YouTube will always be my baby. YouTube will always be my main platform. This is where I started. I just feel like every time I come to YouTube, things slow down. We can sit down, we can talk. Videos are not 30 seconds. They are however long I want them to be. So yeah, I love coming back to YouTube. I think I will always love it. We can talk hair, we can talk about so many different things. And speaking of which, when it comes to my videos, I think I am going to diversify a little bit this year. Of course, we are going to talk about hair. Don't you worry. I know a lot of you subscribe for hair, and you are going to get hair, sis. Okay? Speaking of hair, look, we have a lot to talk about. Yes, I do want to diversify a little bit, create videos around what's going on in my life in terms of like leveling up, for example, because if I find something that helps me, I want to share it with you guys so that at least I can help you too, because if I'm going to level up, I am taking you with me. You hear me? I'm taking you with me. Maybe videos around like productivity or how I keep my life, myself organized, because I feel like I'm still a work in progress, but I've figured a few things out and I like it. I'm still changing things, but that's the beauty of it. It's not about perfection. It's about consistency or consistently leveling up. Instagram's going well. Now there's TikTok. There's so many platforms to keep track of. I just started posting on TikTok. So if you're on TikTok and you want to follow me, I will leave the link below. I don't know, but your girl is struggling over there. It's just so fast. I can't even keep up with these Gen Zs now, and that makes me feel super old. I'm not even that old, but I just feel like when it comes to like TikTok, things move so fast. Like you need to capture someone's attention in 0.2 seconds. It's crazy. Anyways, Instagram's okay. I put in a lot of work into Instagram, but I still kind of feel like something like it's my secondary platform. I don't know why I feel this way, but it is what it is. I am still in like a fuck when it comes to Instagram. I just feel like a little bored just posting about hair there too. So I'm definitely looking to diversifying. I want to go into more lifestyle than just straight hair. There's a whole reasoning behind it, and I usually talk about it in like my Instagram lives. Friday nights at 8 o'clock we go live on Instagram. So if you're interested, come hang out with us, bring apple juice, let's chill. I am looking to diversify a little bit on Instagram and just create content that's a little bit more creative, fulfilling. I don't know what the word is. I think creative is what I want. Like if I'm gonna call myself a content creator, then I want to create content. So yeah, things are gonna change, basically is what I'm saying. Things are gonna level up, you know, in the Gen J brand. Ooh, and I'm so excited. I'm excited. I'm ready for it. I've been working really hard towards making this happen. So I gotta make it happen. Brand deals, that's another category that we usually talk about. Okay, brand deals. As you guys know, I don't do a lot of sponsorships. I'm very picky with them. I also don't like it when brands devalue me. So another area that I'm hoping to improve, especially when I diversify, is the brand deal category, because now I won't be so locked in-ish to natural hair brands, because between you and I, they don't pay. I will be able to secure lifestyle brand deals, especially brands that I already use, that I love, that I can introduce to you. So I'm looking into that direction in a sense, and I think it'll be a little bit more interesting, because if I'm able to create content in a better way, I'll be able to like tell a story with these deals. It's gonna make me feel good about the content that I produce, and that's at the end of the day, we all want to feel and be fulfilled. We want to feel good on the inside. We want to feel good about the work that we do. Yeah, I'm trying to create work where it doesn't feel like I'm working. I think it's important that we talk about the wedding. You guys, I'm getting married in what, a month? What's today? A month and a half. I'm supposed to get married. OMG. A couple of weeks ago, I definitely had the wedding jitters. I think it's a thing. I've confirmed it on Instagram. Yeah, I totally have the jitters. Oh my god, it's happening. I'm a little scared. We are keeping it low key. To be fair, I haven't really done much yet. I have so much to do. I have to book flowers. I have to get a photographer slash videographer. I have to confirm how many people are going. I have to get an officiant. Girl, the only thing that I did is secure the date and the location. That is it. But it's fine. It's not meant to be stressful. There's not gonna be a lot of people, so I mean, it's gonna be fine. I should still do a little bit more work, but I'm sure it's gonna be okay. So yeah, the wedding's happening. If any of you guys are getting married or newlyweds, leave a comment down below. I think that'll be kind of cute. We can talk. You can let me know if the wedding jitters is a thing, because I'm totally excited and nervous at the same time. I'm about to officially be off the streets. That's crazy. Anyways, I think. Anyway, oh my god, you guys, my hair looks so good. I can't make a video and not mention and talk about this hair. First of all, this is filmed. A video. I don't know if it's going to be uploaded yet, but this is filmed. It is in partnership with a company, so I'm super excited to introduce you guys to these products because, girl, my hair feels so good. You see this fling fling wing wing? you hear what I'm telling you? My hair feels good. Love it. I can't stop touching her. And yeah, she's giving me all type of life. This is I guess kind of like a twist out, but I wasn't really concerned very much with definition. I have really been enjoying styling my hair in a way where it's not so defined. You know, I don't want to put a ton of gel in my hair. I don't want to put a lot of styler, and make sure that my hair is twisted in a perfect way so that I have the best definition. I just don't care about all of that. I just want my hair to be healthy and to feel good when I run my fingers through it like that, and for her to have movement and shine. That's all I want. She's giving it to me today. She's here for the girls, you know. She's like, you're about to be off the streets? Let me act right. So backwards. Whatever though. Yeah, she feels good. If the video is uploaded, I will link it in the cards and down below. But it was a really fun sponsorship. I actually really enjoyed it because the company was very straightforward. The communication was transparent, straightforward, and I really appreciate that when it comes to working with brands, because there is a whole business side to influencing that is not pretty. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it, you guys. I appreciate all the support. I appreciate all the love. You guys that are sliding in my DMs on Instagram and just always there for me. I appreciate it. And that really motivates me and fuel me to work even harder, to level up, to be the best version of myself, because I want to inspire you guys to do the same. All right, well, thank you so much for watching my videos. I will see you somewhere on the internet, whether that is TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, my DMs, Facebook. Oh my god, protective style challenge. Let's quickly update you guys. Okay, yes, I'm supposed to be protective styling. I will actually get my hair braided this Saturday. Today is April 15th, and I'm gonna be braided April 17th. I finally decided and have the time in my calendar to do it. The reason why I haven't been braided for the past month, although I was short-term protective styling, I kept my hair in twist, is because I injured my finger. So I couldn't really do too much, but now she is not fully healed, but she feels a lot better. You guys, I was crippled. You wouldn't imagine how crippling it is not being able to use one finger. Everything, we use our fingers. Anyway, so she feels better now, so I am going to attempt to get my hair braided. I did these flat twists in the front of my head, and it was a little painful to do, but I could make it work. So if I could do this, then I can do the style that I'm thinking of doing, which I'm not going to tell you what it is, but stay tuned because I have a whole style in my head that I want to do, and I can't wait. And I think you'll want to stick around for that one. Anyways, that's it. Enough talking, enough chatting. I'm making this video longer than it should be. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.